What is up guys? Welcome to my channel and welcome to our very first official video. My name is Angelo Ragudo and for today's video, I will show you a townhouse worth 14.5 million here in LOMA, Quezon City. So it is a 3-story townhouse with 73 square meter lot area and 210 square meter floor area. So meron siyang 4 bedrooms, 5 toilet and bath, and 1 car garage. So tignan na natin. So pagpasok nyo sa property is yung 1 car garage ninyo and yung access nyo sa inyong fire escape. Also yung access nyo sa inyong circuit breaker. Also kasya dito ang SUV or even pickup, sabay may space pa para sa motor sa harap. So upon entering your main doorway is your living room. So this is the typical layout of a 1 car garage townhouse here in Sampaloc and LOMA. So kapag 1 car garage, usually nandito na sa baba yung living room and your dining and also your kitchen. While kapag 2 car garage layout, nasa second floor yung living nyo, yung dining and also your kitchen. So dito sa living room nyo, you have a huge window that overlooks to your garage and also meron ka na ring extra storage dito sa ilalim ng hagdan nyo. So yung hagdan nyo and yung powder room nyo, sinaseparate yung living room nyo sa inyong dining and your kitchen. And also dito sa first floor, equip na rin siya ng cove lighting to give that cozy feeling sa inyong property. Living area and dining area, may cove lighting. So dito naman sa powder room nyo, you have a toilet and sink and also wala siyang salamin pero pwede siyang lagyan pag nakuha nyo yung property. So your dining room can accommodate up to 6-seater table. Then dito naman sa kitchen, so yung kitchen countertop natin is made of granite. Also meron na rin siya dual basin na sink and then yung mga cupboards natin is soft close. Okay, maski balibag mo yan, hindi tutunog. Also, meron na rin siyang under cabinet lighting na pwede mong ma-access dito sa ilalim. Yan. Yup. So, lahat ng cabinet dito is soft close. Ano yung soft close? So, basically, dito yung magiging fridge ninyo. So, behind me is a door which opens up to your laundry area and your maid's room. Dito na rin yung pinaka-access nyo sa water tank ninyo, water pump, and also meron din dito na dirty kitchen. So yung maid's room natin, medyo maliit. Actually, ganito halos lahat ng maid's room dito sa Sampaloc kasi nga limited yung lot area ninyo. Then also meron rin dito full toilet and bath for your maids. Maid, isa lang eh, pang-isahan lang yun. So sa second floor is your 2 bedrooms. So this is the bedroom number 1 and dito sa kanan ko is your walk-in closet and also your ensuite toilet and bath. Then you have your wall-mounted vessel sink, you have your toilet and your shower. Then also meron siya ditong window. So awning window siya, so pwede mo siyang buksan for added ventilation without worrying na baka pumasok kung umulan kasi nga awning window siya. Ayan. So, nasasalag niya yung mga tumutulo na ulan kung meron man. So, this is your bedroom number 1. So, meron ka na rin ditong huge sliding window. And also, wala kang makikitang view kasi yung firewall nyo sa likod. Natatakpan yung pinaka-view nyo. Pero baka sa 3rd floor, may makita tayo. Then, let's head to the master's bedroom. Then, dito sa master's bedroom nyo, sa kaliwa ko, meron rin siyang walk-in closet. So, same lang rin. Meron siyang wall-mounted vessel sink. So, ang tawag dito is vessel sink. Ganyan, pag may ganyan. Square vessel sink. And also your toilet. And so, dito sa master's bedroom nyo, medyo maluwag na rin siya compared sa mga ibang bedroom kapag pumunta ka sa Sampaloc kasi nga 73 square meter to. So medyo nire-retouch tong property. So ito pinukula yan, nire-repaint. Then dito sa balcony area nyo, andito yung pinaka-fire exit ninyo. Then yan, maliwalas. Also yung balcony natin is full glass. Then let's head to the third floor. Actually yung third floor tsaka second floor is almost the same lang. Pero dito bago tayo umakyat sa hagdan, naglagay sila dito ng additional window for added ventilation and also natural lighting na rin. And more dito sa taas, puro awning window. So maski buksan nyo siya kung umulan man, no worries tayo doon. So bedroom number 3, the same na rin dun sa baba, sa second floor. You have your walk-in closet and your ensuite toilet and bath with wall-mounted square vessel sink, a toilet, and a shower area. So dito naman, ito yung view mo sa bedroom number 3. Typical na makikita mo na view sa Sampaloc area. Pag nandito ka sa Manila, puro bubong. Then bedroom number 4. So same dun sa master's bedroom. So parang dalawa na yung magiging master's bedroom nyo. Same na same lang kasi. So sa kaliwa ko is a walk-in closet and a same lang rin, wall-mounted vessel sink, toilet and shower area. And also kasi laki ng master's bedroom nyo, itong bedroom number 4. Also, you have a huge window here that overlooks typical Sampaloc view. So you also have a access to your balcony and your fire escape. And also may abang na rin siya for your AC unit. So recap, 72 square meter lot area, 210 square meter floor area, 4 bedrooms, 5 toilet and bath, and 1 car garage with maid's room here in LOMA, Quezon City. So ayun, tapos na tayo sa ating first house tour and I think marami akong na-miss. Marami akong hindi nasabi kasi nga medyo, first video. Sabihin ko lang ano nangyari. Ang tagal ko makalarga, ang tagal kong makaalis dun sa garahe tsaka dun sa living room kasi hindi ko alam. I don't know how to start. So ayun, bahala na kung ano kalalabasan nito. I hope madaan ko sa edit. Pero okay lang yun as long na every day, every video, nag-i-improve tayo and mas nagkakaroon tayo ng confidence and also knowledge sa pag-video. So, yun lang. Paalam. For the next few weeks, i-cover ko yung nandito sa area ko which is Sampaloc and LOMA. Sampaloc, Manila and LOMA, Quezon City. Since dito yung area ko, i-cover ko lahat bago tayo lumabas sa mga ibang lugar like Parañaque, Alabang, Quezon City, Pasig, Mandaluyong. Dito muna tayo, ubusin muna natin, i-cover muna natin lahat dito. So, yun lang guys, hanggang sa muli. So, don't forget to like, hit the notification bell, and click the subscribe button. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko kapag nag-subscribe kayo. So, that's it for today. See you in the next one. Bye-bye! Peace!